doing? What are you doing? Is that what you're supposed to do with the goldfish? All right, we better clean it up. How are we going to clean it up? Logan, how are we going to clean it up? No, Tyler. That's enough with the ball. Are you going to clean it up? We put it back in the bowl? Let's clean up. Clean up time. Clean up time. Good boy. Wow. You going to help, Tyler? To help clean up? No, no, no. No. Tyler. Good boy. Let's get all the fishies back in the bowl. Tyler. No, don't throw it at your brother. Why don't you throw it over there? Throw it. Throw it that way. Throw it. Throw it. Throw the volley. There you go. All right, now go clean up your snack. Somebody learned to play handball already, huh? Tyler, where's Dracula? Tyler, where's Dracula? Can you go say hi to him? Go say hi to Dracula. Where is he? Where is he? Can we go say hi? Go show me where he is. Where's Dracula? Come show me. Where's Dracula? Where is he? Is that Dracula? Where's the mummy? Where's the mummy? Where's the clown? Where's the scary clown? Where is he? Show mommy. Where is he? Where's the clown, honey? There he is. Here he is. You want to come say hi to him? Come say hi to the clown? Uh-oh. Are you cleaning up that snack over there, buddy? Your brother's not helping much, is he? Tyler, let's fill up your bowl.